Working hard, huh? Oh, hold on. Don't get too close, huh? Oh, look at that. That's as close as I'm ever gonna be.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then because we feed them, I'll feed the giraffes for you there, and then you can take closer photos. This is a feeding strap. This one is a feeding strap for the giraffe. And down there we have water.
Any crocs in that water?
Yeah, they can walk in the water because the water is not so
Okay.
deep. They can go in and come out.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll feed them here.
Do this, do this. You have something right on your nose. We're gonna get that out of here. Got that out of there?
Thank you.
Now you can talk.
Okay.
This is their diet.
Yeah, it's the diet, yeah.
Okay, they got this plant right here. This
Yeah.
is all they eat.
Yeah, this is all they eat, but then we give them supplement. We give them the pellets whereby they come close to humans, they come close to people because of the pellets. But in nature, they eat the cassia, neem tree, and some of the other, we call them, what do we call them? Leaves.
Okay.
Yeah.
I gotta put this on animal recognition. Animal recognition is bird or animal.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got it on both. Come a little closer. That's a hot picture right here. I like this because what I'm gonna have is I'm just gonna change my aperture right now to probably a f8 so I can get the background in focus and the giraffe in focus. Shutter speed. So right now I'm at the Nguuni Sanctuary. Nguuni?
Nguuni Nature Sanctuary.
Okay, so this is sort of like a sanctuary for giraffes, water buffalo, no lions, no lions.
Antelope.
Antelope, you know.
3 types of antelope.
Okay.
We have eland antelope, forest
See, this is not a safari. A safari, when you go on safari, it costs money. Well, you can do a 3-day safari, $1,000 if you're lucky, you know. And it's not a guarantee you're gonna see. You'll see a lion, but you think you're gonna see something like on National Geographic where the lion is killing like a zebra. Sometimes you see it, sometimes you see it kill. And sometimes you don't. You just gotta be lucky to see it kill. Oh yeah, so I'm here. Cost around 20 bucks. 20 bucks to get in here? Wow, $10? How much it cost? Oh, okay, yeah, 1,000. Something like 1,000 shillings anyway. Yeah, $10, yeah. So, you know, this is getting close to nature, you know, but the thing is when you are by the giraffes, don't get too close. 5 meters. 5 foot meters?
5 meters.
5 meters. And I guess, you know, I ain't too good on meters, but I just feet, you know. Well, anyway, the giraffe will kick the shit out of you. And from talking to this brother here, he told me the giraffe can kill you. A giraffe can kill you? Yes. If you ever see any of those nature programs, you see how the lions are trying to attack the giraffe, and the giraffe will like kick them, just like a horse can kick you too. So we're here and we're enjoying it. Real cloudy here in Mombasa.
So this is an ostrich egg.
It's light.
It's light because we took the stuff out. This is a shell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a
But
shell.
the weight of this one is 2 kgs, 2 kilos one.
So 2 kilos.
2 kilos one egg.
It's heavy.
Yes, it's very heavy.
This is like 3 dozen eggs.
Yeah,
Or like
for
chicken eggs. It'll be
But
3 dozen.
They taste good. You can make a big omelet of about 10 people. You can eat just
7
one egg.
people can eat an omelet.
10
people can eat
one
an
egg.
omelet. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
All right. Let me check out the
ostrich.
ostrich.
Sure.
What's the life expectancy?
They can reach 40 years. It's 20 years to 40. Ostrich meat and
It tastes good?
taste very good.
All right.
If you take-
I like this one right here. This is nice. That's a nice photo right here. Hold on, be squat.
Ngoja nimwomboze yuno benadza.
Sawa.
Yola nchive hundakala hosi. They are scared of people, humans.
I wouldn't want to be a zebra. I wouldn't want to be anything that can get eaten in the jungle. I wouldn't want to be. If I had to be something, it would be a lion or a crocodile or an eagle
Eagle.
or an eagle.